Yo, this is Jenko, and I'm out of the villa because of Raquel.
Oh, Sean, all right.
Yes, now I'm out, but I will be back to date all the women in Malta out of the villa.
Tajjeb, good for it.
Thank you, Sander.
So waħda. Neħen għal soċjali. Femni, Daniel.
Iva jena ma vera ħajkonna l-ġenko maħna u intervistaw it-teletubi. Duminka, fidejk.
Madoff, xie statua.
Duminka, please, talk in English so he can understand, all right?
Sorry, I will talk to you in English, so you don't understand Maltese at all.
No, unfortunately not. Just some of the swear words.
And how does it feel being in the villa u ma tifhemx żob kif tgħidha din? How do you say it?
How do you feel that you can't understand Maltese in there? How does it feel?
Well, it was certainly a challenge for sure. A lot of the time I felt like I was trying to read people's minds, which I'm obviously not very good at because I didn't find love.
And their minds are a bit fucked up as well.
Yes, I don't think you want to spend too long in there.
No.
The first time you came in the villa, you said you were looking for someone who is cute, kind, confident, petite, honest, or really sexy.
I'm looking for someone who's cute, kind, honest, caring, confident. A girl that's in touch with her feminine side is really sexy.
A bit too much, in my opinion.
Was there someone inside who fits this description?
At first I thought maybe it could be Raquel, but obviously we didn't get along as well as I had
Yes, I will talk
so.
about Raquel, me and you.
Listen, Jenko, I think
I
do fit in. If you are interested,
let's change subject. Maybe she cools down a bit. Let's talk about Raquel.
Okay.
What's your feeling about her now that you're out?
Now that I'm out and I've seen some of the episodes, I've watched some of the stuff that went on inside the villa that I obviously didn't see while I was there, because when you're in the villa, you obviously can't be in two places at once.
Exactly.
And my feeling is she's playing the game.
You still think about that she's playing the game?
Yes, definitely, for sure.
But you started off by giving her strawberries and ended up by her giving you...
Sorry. That's a rude one, eh?
Keep it clean.
Sorry.
Who shifted now that you're out, in your case? So you shifted, you changed your mind, or did she...
Well, the thing is, when I was in the villa, I was one of the last guys who would give her a chance.
True.
And I even said to Edward, I don't trust her in here, but I still feel a connection in here. And then on one of the nights when it rained, they covered the cameras to protect the cameras. And after we had said that we would try build a connection together, she went to Mateus and she said to Mateus, would you try and convince Keown to take me back? So I had to confront her about it. I had no other choice.
From outside the villa, we follow all episodes know that although you think that Raquel is actually playing the game, there are people who feel sorry for her. So she tries hard, She really tries hard. But if she had to come back here today and sit down with you, how would that feel?
What will your reaction be?
I wouldn't really feel anything. I mean, what happens in the villa stays in the villa as far as I'm concerned.
There are some things that go out.
Honey. But if you want something to be secret, I can arrange that for you.
You also said... Stop. It's better if you don't hold her hands because it will get worse. So you also said that outside the villa, for you to find girls, it's very easy. However, in there, it's a completely different scenario. Why?
I wouldn't say it's easy, but I definitely have had more chance of building a connection outside the villa than inside the villa. I mean, if you were watching, it did not go very well.
No, in your case, no.
No.
It was a disaster, Rohi.
Unfortunately so. I didn't find love, but you never know.
Listen, You're a heartbreaker too, eh?
Yes.
Why did you take Kian away from Edwards if you knew he liked her?
Well, this is the thing. I didn't know he liked her. He says he told me on the day, but I obviously wasn't listening or didn't remember or he didn't say it. Or he
Actually,
thought
we
he said
missed it as well. Eh? So not to be on your side, but we missed it completely. Maybe.
But he's a good listener, that's why. Not Jenko, Edward, eh, Ruhi?
Who do you think will win Love Island this year?
Oh, gosh. Well, there aren't many couples to choose from at the moment, are there? So it's hard to pick. But I did think Kiana and Edward were a very charismatic couple. Things are a bit rocky now at the moment.
Yeah, but you have to watch the last episodes now.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
They changed completely.
I'll be honest, I didn't actually watch it, but I have heard that things aren't great at the moment.
No,
A lot of people are hurt, Ruhi.
So we're only left with Enrique and Mateus now then at the moment.
Kind of.
And don't you think they are playing the game as well?
Enrique and Mateus? No, I think from being
It's
on
genuine.
I think having been on the inside and seen it firsthand, in my opinion, it's real.
Okay.
It's real.
Well, that was my last question. Thank you.
Go.
Sheesh, go.
Go.
We need some alone time.
Yes.
Hideaway.
Yes, let's go to the hideaway.
Ħallejkom,
Jenko, so you are from Ireland, right?
Yeah.
And is it true that St. Patrick chased away the snakes?
Yes, he did indeed.
Well, if you trust me with your snake, I won't chase it away.
Oh, thank you very much.
Oh, sponsors, please. Oh, he's so hot. Xamelli, issa naf għal-fejt u ġew fil-villa ja demonju lo Jenko.